guys, so in today we're gonna be testing out the Shine Armor oil additive. So of course, if you guys watched my last video, I need to get a new oil for it. So I want to do an oil change today. At the same time, I'm gonna be adding this performance booster from Shine Armor. I don't think I drove 2,000 miles in a year, but it's been almost a year since last time I did an oil change, so I figure maybe like do an oil change today since I got this, and I want to see how much difference does it make. So yeah, let's get right into today's video. So we got everything we needed, so I'm gonna explain to you guys what I got. A box. So for the oil, I decided to go with Castrol. I've used Mobile. I think it's Mobile one. I've used I think I only used Mobile one before. Anyway, so I was like, okay, I want to switch it up a little bit. I wanted to see if other brands are any better, or I don't know. Alright, Castrol is very popular for their rally car and like pretty popular in Japan too. Price point, it's about the same as Mobile one. It's a high mileage oil. Did I get synthetic? Is it a synthetic? Oh, it says advanced full synthetic oil. So this is a full synthetic oil. It's for the high mileage and 5.30 for over 75,000 miles. I could never get it right which oil to get, because I don't know, like I could never understand this number, but I always look online and it always comes back to this 5W30 for stock K motor. So I'm like, you know what, I'll just get this. So I got this. Okay. My boy Fram, the most affordable oil filter. This is the PH3682. And then the real deal, the Shine Armor oil additive. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what this product is. So it's basically an oil that you add it into your oil entrance, or like where you put your oil, and you add it. So this is the whole thing is an 8 ounce of product. So yeah, so 8 ounce per 5 quarts of oil. It also says you can apply this whole thing per oil change, which I'm only going to be using 4 quarts today because that's how much my car takes, and then I'm probably gonna add this whole thing because it doesn't make sense, because it doesn't have any measuring, or I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm just gonna put the whole thing. And basically what it does is it increases fuel economy, quieter engine, reduces noise and vibration, stops cold start problems, and provide a hard deposit resistant micron coating to the engine. And of course, more importantly, it increases horsepower and torque. I can't wait to test that out because my car is so slow. But anyway, so we're gonna be doing all that. If you guys want to know how to do an oil change, you guys can watch another video because I don't think I'm doing it right, but I'm just gonna show you guys anyway how to do it. But with that being said, let's get right in. Okay, so now that I put some oil inside, we're gonna go ahead and get to the real deal. So here's the real deal. This is the Shine Armor Oil Additive, and we're gonna add the whole thing in right now to see if there's any difference afterwards. But yeah, let's try it. Alright, so I just lowered my car and I did everything ready to go to turn it on. Engine, so yeah, let's try that. It kind of feels a little bit better in terms of the response of the throttle. Like it's more, I felt like it got a lot more responsive. Obviously, I think that's a success in terms of increasing torque, but I'm not too sure in terms of horsepower. So we're gonna go take it for the spin and see what happens. Okay, I want to show you guys how the acceleration is like on this car prior to installing the oil additive. So maybe possibly we can tell the difference. I can't promise if this product actually works, or I don't know if it kicks in right away. But I've seen videos of people just have a huge difference right after. So we're gonna see if that actually, if that's actually true. it's slow. It's not fast. And hopefully that can kind of change after adding the oil additive, but we will see. Up mountain right now. It's so responsive, and it's like it's climbing. Like usually when I'm driving up here, it's like full throttle. It's like slowly going up, but it's like she goes, man. What the heck? I think like it's slowly kicking in. It's not gonna kick in right away. But I can already feel the difference. Like it's so much more responsive, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's because like it increased in torque. Maybe. Like, goddamn. It's like when you press it, it goes. Like, that's pretty crazy to me. Wow. I'm actually pretty surprised. Usually going uphill, like on third gear, it's like it doesn't do anything. So I usually stay on the second, but like even third, like let's go. Oh, that was a fat pothole. Yeah, I mean, this isn't a bad product. Yeah, it's working. No, not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Actually, not bad. The road is so bad here, though, but obviously it's not going to create like a huge difference, you know what I mean, like in terms of horsepower. I can't really feel that, but I can feel the torque. Really, like the torque is crazy. It might be good for people who drifts, because it might be really useful for someone who drifts, because like people who like require a lot of torque like this, wow. Okay, I'm going really fast, but it catch up to 60 really fast, like, which doesn't really happen going uphill here, but it's happening. Like 0 to 60 is pretty fast. Like, I mean, that was so, like, it was different. It was totally different. I feel like, I don't know. It's just like it really brought out like the best, I don't know, possible ability for my car to, I don't know, it just like it felt like there was something missing before, and like I always felt that way. And now it's just like everything is there. Which is kind of interesting to me because I have a vacuum leak, and then now it feels like there's no vacuum leak anymore. Yeah, like this is really weird to me. Like, okay, this is actually a really interesting product. Yeah, I said why not get it? I think this is really good. I think this is the best product that I like from Shine Armor, to be honest. I think this like actually works. I'm not saying that other things works, but this was like a huge, like it made a huge difference off of this. So I think it was a very cool product, and I guess I could recommend it to people. Like a torque and a little bit more power, just a little small kick. This is a really good product. I think it's really good. But yeah, okay. That's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. But yeah, if you guys are interested in buying this product, links are down in the description. Again, I'm not sponsored, but I was sent this product from Shine Armor as a PR, and then I'm simply doing like a review on my channel on my own. So this has no affiliation with the ad. I'm just saying and speaking to my own opinion. So yeah, but yeah, this will be really cool. Experiment. If you guys want to try this, go try it. Check them out. Shine Armor. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. Comment down below if you have any other like performance booster product that you use that you really liked it. I'm down to try it. I think this was really interesting. I think I would try different product to see what kind of effect does it make for stock K. And also make sure to follow all my social media, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.